Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Good morning all. Today's vocabulary: hoax, deception and fool. A plan to deceive someone or to fool someone by lying. Synonyms: fraud, cheat, dupe, prank, bluff, pull someone's leg, play a joke on, play tricks, take for a ride. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: honesty, original, correct, give, regulate, enlighten. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he had made a hoax call claiming to be the police officer and frightened his friends. Another example can be given: the bomb threat turned out to be a hoax. Genial, friendly and cheerful. Synonyms: affable, amiable, sociable, cordial, kindly, gentle, jovial, good-natured, agreeable, pleasant, sweet. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unfriendly, ungracious, rude, ill-natured, ill-tempered, unpleasant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the host of the party was very warm and genial. Stark, sharp and stern, strong or robust, utter or sheer, simple in appearance, especially without decoration or anything that is not necessary. Synonyms: crisp, distinct, simple, entire, outright, out and out, completely clear, severe. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: fuzzy, indefinite, tender, mild, gentle, covered, benign. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: it was a stark room with a bed and a chair as the only furniture. Another example can be given: he was talking nonsense and stone mad. Farce, mockery, a ridiculous situation or event, or a situation that is very badly organized. Synonyms: parody, satire, skit, comedy, caricature, cartoon, joke, travesty. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: tragedy, solemnity, seriousness. Example: no one had prepared anything, so the meeting was a bit of farce. Adjunct, supplement, an associate or assistant of other, such as temporary teacher at a college or university, or something added or joined to other but not essentially a part of it. Synonyms: addition, complement, accessory, helper, apprentice, deputy. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: lessening, subtraction, enemy, foe, detriment. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: in this present world, learning a computer course will be a useful adjunct to our other studies. Another example can be given: Prem worked as adjunct faculty but not a full-time. Accord, agreement, an official agreement or treaty. Synonyms: harmony, unison, deal, pact. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disagreement, denial, antagonism, opposition. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the project is completely in accord with government policies. Bleak, dismal, not giving much hope for the future, or especially when the weather conditions are extreme, such as very cold and not welcoming. Synonyms: dark, depressing, blank, cold, severe, bitter. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: bright, pleasant, appealing, cheerful, sunny, encouraging, happy. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the world economy looked bleak. Nascent, budding, in the earliest stages of development, or starting to grow or develop. Synonyms: growing, developing, just begun, immature, elementary, sprouting, germinating. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: developed, mature, advanced, ripened, full-fledged. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the Indian space industry is nascent at the moment. Veer, deviate, suddenly change an opinion or behavior, or to change direction. Synonyms: bend, shift, twist, divert, swing, deflect, drift. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: stay, straighten, keep to, go direct. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: due to sudden brake, the car veered sharply in the middle of the road. Another example can be given: the wind changed its direction from northwest to southwest. Protocols: official procedure, a system of rules in government, or a formal international agreement. Synonyms: agreement, custom, code, formalities, etiquette, manners. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: rudeness, impoliteness, bad manners, disagreement. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: a protocol was signed to ensure cordial relations between nations. Another example can be given: according to royal protocol, you should never touch the queen. Cognizable, within the jurisdiction of the court. Synonyms: palpable, apparent, evident, understandable, tangible, distinguishable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: hidden, unnoticeable, vague, invisible, obscure, silent. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the crime is treated as cognizable and non-bailable offense. Ominous, suggesting something bad is going to happen. Synonyms: threatening, inauspicious, doomy, perilous, grim, dark. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: bright, encouraging, joyful, luck, happy. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: this plan had sounded ominous to begin with. Another example can be given: there was ominous silence when I asked whether I got selected in the interview. Purge, an abrupt or violent removal of a group of people. Synonyms: expulsion, extermination, get rid of, purify, cleanse, dismiss. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: keeping, holding, maintenance. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the president carried out a purge of disloyal army officers. Stash, store something safely in a hidden or secret place. Synonyms: inventory, treasure, stock, wealth, bury. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: debt, lack, poverty, waste. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they discovered a stash of money hidden in the attic. Inkling, a feeling that something is true or likely to happen. Synonyms: clue, hunch, indication, idea, suspicion, tip-off, whisper. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: knowledge, information, fact, reality, guarantee, assurance. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the records give us an inkling of how people saw the world. Indigenous, occurring naturally in a particular place. Synonyms: domestic, homegrown, original, natural, primitive. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: alien, foreign, migrant, expatriate, external, macro. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, successfully test fired an indigenous missile. Quell, to stop something, especially by using force, or suppress or crush completely. Synonyms: put down, defeat, conquer, silence, overcome, subjugate, subdue. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: encourage, aggravate, support, agitate, succeed, surrender, All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the old man drank warm milk to quell his upset stomach. Another example can be given. Nothing can be done till the cops get here to quell the mob. Vague, not clearly seen or not clearly expressed, or lacking clarity or distinctness. Synonyms: blurred, uncertain, indistinct, fuzzy, unsure. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: obvious, apparent, clear, certain, sure, plain. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, officials were vague about the ship's location. Another example can be given. I have only vague memory of the house where I lived as a child. Door, unhappy, unfriendly, usually of a person's appearance or manner. Synonyms: bad tempered, frowning, harsh, stern, forbidding, surly, rude, blunt. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: kind, polite, gentle, happy, cheerful, nice, bright. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the police stared dully at the culprits. Another example can be given. After losing job, my friends don't look depressed as all. Unique, usual or special in some way, or being the only one of its kind, unlike anything else. Synonyms: one and only, exclusive, peculiar, onlyest. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: common, ordinary, regular, usual, standard. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, fingerprints are unique to every individual. Another example can be given. I would recognize your handwriting anytime because it is unique. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.